Slay, Jake, and welcome back to another video. So today I have both of my slimes with me. I never showed you this one. Actually, I only showed you this one. I have one of them, and I have the other. So I brought both of them with me. And yeah, so this one's a bit smaller. That's one in it. Tiny. That has glitter on, so y'all probably can't see, but it's super pretty. So it is currently Google 9:47 in the morning. Tomorrow is Christmas Eve, and I told you I was gonna record on my senior day, but unfortunately they canceled. They said it was gonna be next week, and like when we come back to school, cause nobody really came. Most people didn't come for the cheerleading squad, or most people didn't come to do the thing, whatever. So it was just unremarkable. I had nothing to do with it, but still. But yeah, and also basically I would stick this one and that one, but I'm just take it piece by piece to make it stretchy. It shouldn't turn no other color. It's probably gonna turn a light purple, cause this purple is kind of dirty. So I'm not even gonna bother. So yeah, this one is magnificent. It's stretchy. It barely makes bubbles. If you know that. It barely makes bubbles. Oh, Jesus. The slime got stuck in the oven. I never bring this slime over my grandma's house, but I already bring this one. I have multiple slimes on sale soon, but I don't sell them like that. I get like probably 50 cents, cause I got now the biggest slimes. These are the only two I wanted to keep. The other ones I sold for 50 cents. It depends on the size. So if it's like this type of size, it's $1. This type of size, 50 cents. And the small size one, it's like 25 cents. Um, most slimes are like these type of slimes. They're like 50, like 40, like $10. Literally, I'm not even joking. How did you get in there? I got an earring that's in my slime. Anyways, so yesterday I got my hair done. Yes. Yes. And I don't have those fox locks anymore. I have box them. It hurts so bad. I got them done at like 1 or 2 o'clock, and got done at like 10 or something. And go to no shop. I'm sorry, my throat. Yeah. Most songs, the songs that I had were very special, but these two are stretchy, and the other ones I made are very stretchy. And most of them like it, cause I was like cause this girl, her name was Brianna. She had bought some slime. She had bought some slime, and basically it was super sticky. But everybody should love sticky because it's very stretchy, and it sometimes can make bubbles. But basically, I told her, like, that slime is very sticky. You still want it? She was like, yeah, I like sticky. So, other people, they would try to pick that one, and I was like, that's very sticky. So then I go on to the next one. I heard something, I got scared. I'm gonna just finish my report. That's what I took, and I mixed the slimes up by accident. I just mixed the ones that I mixed up inside the oven. It's all good though. This slime smells so good. Yes, it is. Mine's supposed to have slime in it. But I guess I got by accident. I said by accident. I mean, I guess. Ooh. Look. Is this your baby? There. You can probably see me clearly. I think it feels terrible. Now the fox locks take like 10 hours. Or so. It hurt so much. Now these boxberries. Not hours, bro. Longer, because I had another lady doing my hair. But she moved to another state. So she would take 6 hours with my box braids, probably. And I don't know about the fox. I don't know about the fox locks, but yeah. So yesterday I was showing them. I keep hearing stuff. Yesterday I was showing my mama slime, and basically she saw it and she was like, "So they make this slime?" I was like, "Yeah," and she was like, "What? Why do people love slime?" So I'm like, "Wait, why do you like slime?" I said, "Like, what's the point of slime?" So I was like, basically people like how satisfying and how it sounds. Look, let me get closer. Listen, just listen. Look, okay. Look, I'm gonna get a little piece. Because I probably can't hear it. Then, look. Y'all probably can't hear that. Look. It's not working right now. I need some country. This slime. So, I think I got some. I think some bees are still coming. This is still looking. So just follow me. So, yeah, I got this. Well, I didn't technically call it fall downstairs. It's I think it's some bees upstairs. I'm not allowed to have slime in the house, in my bedroom. But what else am I supposed to do when my phone dies? So I saw some bees over here. I just don't know what. So I'm gonna look up there. So turns out, guys, ain't no beads. But I'm gonna keep looking. Probably later on today. But yeah, like, subscribe, and tap that notification bell. And I'll see you next time. See you, Slave J Gang. Out.